Hey everybody, Jeff here again, live here. Here we are in Tamarac. I was working over at one of my condos there today when all of a sudden they got a school bus fire. This is over in the area south of McNabb Road and east of Pine Island Road. We are at the intersection of Northwest 61st Street and Northwest 84th Terrace. So this is a school bus that apparently just caught fire a few minutes ago. So we're just arriving here on the scene, probably about 2 minutes behind all the fire engines did. So it's quite the hectic scene here. They've got everything all blocked off here right now. Let me just show you the scene here. There's cops everywhere blocking off that part of the street there. There's cops blocking off over here. There's numerous rescue squads here. They have both marked and unmarked Fire Sheriff's deputies here blocking off the intersection here. So for those of you just tuning in, and I see Becca just tuned in, yeah, this is a bus fire here in Tamarac. We are south of McNabb Road and east of Pine Island. It smells pretty bad too. You can smell like some kind of bad plastic burning here. So they've got all the roads blocked off here. There's still fire engines coming from every direction now. We just showed the whole scene here. So we've got a hook and ladder right over here. We've got a couple of rescue trucks right there in front of us. Another fire engine is coming up down over there on the other side on 88th Terrace there. But right there is the center of attention right there. It's a school bus that caught fire. I'm assuming there was nobody in it or everybody got out, because I don't see them rushing with stretchers or anything. They seem to be acting very calm. There doesn't seem to be worry on anybody's faces, so thank God it appears like nobody was hurt. And it looks like they pretty quickly extinguished the blaze here on this school bus. This was pretty harrowing. So we were working over at the condo there, and about 5 minutes ago we heard just a whole bunch of sirens. So we hopped in the car, came over here and saw the activity. So breaking news live from Jeff here in Tamarac. The school bus fire, not even the news stations are here, but hey, check this out. I don't know if you can see that or not. Somebody sent their drone over. There's a drone flying right over the scene here. I wonder if he'll post that on YouTube or not. See that right there, the drone? So that's his drone flying up above the scene. That's pretty cool. I got here before the news and before the drones. You got to get up pretty early to beat Jeff to the scene. Well, you're looking at the remains of a Broward County school bus that caught fire today here in Tamarac. We are just south of McNabb Road and east of Pine Island Road here in Tamarac. And it doesn't look like there was anybody or any kids on it, because the firemen didn't seem to be too anxious or, you know, acting like there was something wrong or there was no stretchers brought out, even though there was a few rescue trucks brought over here. So right now, let me just pan out and show you the scene here. You got several rescue trucks, and you got several fire engines down at the other end there. Here, the Broward Sheriffs, both marked and unmarked units, have the intersections here blocked off. And you can see we have another hook and ladder truck over this way. They were coming from everywhere. There was just so many sirens that we were working in our flip condo around the corner here, and we heard all of these sirens and decided to head over here. So there they are, hosing out the whole bus. The bus is probably destroyed at this point. Now we just saw a drone show up here a minute ago, and the drone was taking video, and the deputy came over here and was filming it, and the deputy told me that whoever's drone that was, they can get in trouble because they're not allowed to film over an active investigation scene like this. Although this is basically a, you know, car accident or fire, I don't see why there's a problem with that. We'd have to dig into the rules and the laws here and find out why that's an issue, because I mean, it stayed off to the side, it didn't bother anybody, so who knows. Actually, that looks more like snow and ice than it does the foam that they sprayed on it.